We can't even see to the hills.
Ah, it's gone away again. Boo! Ah, it's coming back down again, it's kicking up again, like.
And if the sun will come out as soon as this is finished, then
Pete, I'm sorry. After 10,000 feet of the air, I'm not getting sucked up with a tornado.
Look, there it goes again, look. I'll get this sent into the sun, get a few quid out of them.
Oh my god, it's coming to get you. Look.
Look if you can, that's spinning like buggery.
I've got it on my camera feed. Oh my god. I've never seen this video.
Okay, typical Scottish punter sitting watching it and filming it. You know what I mean? No running for cover or anything. Look, get the cameras out. I've got a t-shirt on, get the cameras out.
We need new t-shirts saying, what's it?
Storm chasers.
Storm chasers.
And all we need now is an armed vehicle.
Here it comes.
Right, what have you got that's bolted far down in the ground?
Laura.
I don't think it'll form fully.
No, if it does,
Ah, but we've missed it. We missed it because it came right along the trees.
Ah, but it done that before Dougie and then came back.
I rode a thunder and it came down again.
So when you
That's still spinning, like.
when you said those clouds over there looked like they were spinning, they have
They were.
been.
Look at it now, look at it now, look at it up the top.
I'm sorry, I'm getting...
You're getting the crowd.
Look at it up the top, man.
Ken, look at it. Look at the width at the top.
Somebody will be getting an action plan in case it comes to...
Aye, get inside.
Aye, but you need to like...
No, you just need to be inside the car.
Just run.
How about we all get parachutes on now? And if we get sucked up, it's alright.
That is absolutely mental.
You're gonna jump from what? Like, let's go for it! Look at it, it's actually looks like it could be turning into a massive one here.
Lauren, I'm doing the same. I'm getting further back.
That's fucking mental.
That's what they say, where's your plane?
Aye, if he's got it inside you.
Look at the size of that.
That's getting really big, isn't it? That's getting a lot bigger.
Holy shit, man.
That's brilliant, man. I cannot believe the size of that.
This way, we're not going to go to the parachute, we got something really cool with it.
Scottish summer at its best, eh? What's that all about, Gav? I'm getting on video, man. Getting into the Scottish sun.
Can you really see it? If you don't listen to understand, you'll be like, there's a tenant. A what?
I just said to Charlene, she's not even replied. I'm like, I'm watching a fucking tornado, man.